Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss the basic functions that you can do in Google Drive. For that you must log into Google account. There are many ways you can open Google Drive. You can write drive.google.com, click enter, or you can go to google.com and here in the apps you can click here Drive. So Google Drive is basically a cloud storage in which you can store your documents, and advantage is that you can access your documents anywhere and at any time. You just need internet connection and your documents can be accessed anywhere, and all the documents are synchronized automatically to every device in which you are login with your Google account. As you can see, this is my Google Drive, and by default free use storage is 15 GB, and 15 GB is enough for storing the documents. And if in case you need extra storage, you can click here buy storage and you can purchase Google Drive storage. Now what are the various options that you can do in your Google Drive? Here you can see there is one button, new. You can upload a folder, you can upload a file, even you can access your Google Docs, Google Sheets right from here. So let me explain you how you can upload a file. So simply you need to click on file upload, and when you click on file upload, it will show your Windows system. You can upload any file. For example, I am going to upload this file, and here you can see the file upload has been completed. And just refresh your Google Drive and you will see this document. See, this document has been uploaded in your Google Drive. Similarly, you can access any file. You can upload any file, video, image in your Google Drive. If you want to upload any folder, simply click here new and then click on folder upload, and here you can upload any folder of your choice. For example, I am going to upload this folder, any upload, for example any folder. For example, I will upload this folder. There are 15 files, so simply click upload and it will be uploaded. It will take some time, depends upon the size of the folder which you are uploading. So simply you can click any folder. You can upload any folder on your Google Drive. So if you want to cancel, you can cancel the upload, fine. So let me upload another folder. So you can upload any folder of your choice. For example, let me upload this folder, and simply you can upload the folder to your file, and after uploading the folder, folders will be shown here. Let me upload some another files. So file upload, and here you can upload any file. For example, I am going to upload this file. You can upload multiple files. You can click multiple files. For example, this file and this file, and you can upload both the files. So after uploading the files, you can arrange the files in folders also. So let me refresh this Google Drive. So when you refresh, see these files I have uploaded. Fine. Now if you want to create a folder, you can click new and you can click here folder, and folder you can give any name to the folder. For example, I am going to give this folder name BCA first, and see the folder has been created BCA first. Now if you want to move these files, for example, if I want to move this file to this folder, simply right click here and just click on move to. and move to, and it will show you the folders. So these folders are there in my Google Drive. You can create any folder as I have just explained to you. So click here BCA first, right click and move to, and yes, move here, and file will be moved to your, see, this file has moved to BCA first folder, and now you can see this folder file is in there, this folder BCA first folder. Now if you want to rename any file, for example this is the file which I have already uploaded, mail merge, simply right click here and you can rename this file, for example basics of mail merge. You can rename any file. If you want to delete a file, you can remove a file. If you want to download, you can download. Fine. Another important feature that Google Drive offers you is that you can share a file. For example, this file I have uploaded and I want to share this file with my students or with my colleagues. Simply click, right click, and here you can see the option share, or you can get the link of this file so that you can share the link with your colleagues or with your students. So get link. So when you right click and click on get link, see, by default the access is restricted, only people added can open with this link. Right. And you can click here, anyone with the link, anyone on the internet with this link can view or comment or editor. Editor means he can make changes in this file. Viewer means he will be able to view this file only, and commenter means he or she can comment on this file. So by default it is viewer, you can change, and just click viewer or any option you want, and here you can copy the link. And when you copy the link, simply share this link with your students or colleagues, and they will be able to view your documents. So document sharing and working on collaboration is very important tool of this Google Drive. So far I have discussed how can you upload a file, how can you upload a folder, how can you create a folder, how can you move file to any folder, how can you share a file. So you can get the link from here and you can share with your students or colleagues, anyone with you want. Similarly, you can share a folder also. If you share a folder, and any file that you will upload to this folder will automatically will automatically visible to all the persons with whom you have shared the link. So simply this is the folder and I want to share. Simple, very simple. So you can share this, or you. So when you click on share, just wait. See, you can get the link from here that I already have told you, or you can share with the persons. For example, I want to share with the folder, this folder with this. Fine. And what he can do, he is the editor or he is the viewer or he is the commenter. What he can do, simply if he is the editor, he can organize the files in the folder, he can add the files in the folder, he can edit the files, he can delete the files, and if he is the viewer, he can only view the files which you have uploaded to the folder. So and here it is the option notify people, means one notification mail will be sent to that person that I have shared the folder with him, and you can write a message of your choice also. Fine. So simply click send. Fine. So this way you can add persons as a collaborators to your folders, to your files, and even you can get the link. These are the important features. How you can get the link of the file which you have uploaded, because I can share the link with my students, I can share the link with my colleagues, fine. So I can get the link from here, fine. So copy link, or you can change the permissions, fine. Editor means now if you share this link with anyone, he can edit your file also. So this you can do, fine. So these features I have already told you. Now see, suppose there are some important files, and right click and see there is one option, add to start, and when you click here add to start, fine. So you can add star to your important files which are in Google Drive. For example, I am going to add star to this file as well. Now see, these files will be visible here in the starred tab. Means starred means your important files which are which you want to save, which you want to access quickly. You can add a star to those files. So I have added starred, and see these files are visible here. So far I have used this much space of my Google Drive, fine. And you can share, you can see the all the files which someone has shared with you in this tab, shared with me. This is your Google Drive, and this here you can access all the files which someone else has shared with you, fine. And you can see the recent files here, you can see the starred files here. So it's very easy to use. So what are the various advantages of this Google Drive? Fine. Number one, see, I can upload files folder. This is a cloud storage. If once I have uploaded, I can access it from anywhere and from any device where I have logged in with my Google account, fine. I can share the files. People can work collaboratively on the files. So these are the advantages which I have of cloud storage, of Google Drive. If you want to delete any file, for example this file, you can simply right click and you can remove this file. And this file, as you can see here, file has been moved to trash. Trash means files which you have deleted are in this folder, and here items in the trash are deleted forever after 30 days, and files will be deleted automatically after 30 days in the trash folder. You have deleted a file, it will be in the trash folder, and if you want to delete it from here, you can simply delete from here, or you can restore the file from here. So these are the features that Google Drive provides me. So in this tutorial I am only discussing some basic features of Google Drive, and you can access these Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms. Google Form I have a separate video, Google Docs I have a separate video. I will provide the link of Google Docs, Google Forms in the description link, fine. Even you can click here and you can use Google Sites, Google Drive. There are so many options which you can access directly from the Google Drive. So that's all for this video. In this tutorial I have discussed only how you can upload files, folders, how can you rename file, how you can add star to the file, how you can remove a file, how you can create a folder, how can you move your files to a folder. And one important thing that I have also discussed, how you can share your file with your students, with your colleagues. So that's all for this video. For any suggestion, for any query, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.